Before a baby's first heartbeat, before the first kick, before a mother even realizes she's pregnant, a breathtaking event is happening inside the body, silent, microscopic, and miraculous. This is the story of how life truly begins. From the moment millions of cells race toward a single destiny to the instant one becomes a future baby. Today, we dove beyond textbooks, beyond the basics, into the hidden world of conception, step by step. Part 1. The moment everything begins. Ovulation and the release of the egg. Every month, inside a woman's ovary, a quiet countdown begins. A group of eggs starts to grow, but only one becomes dominant, the chosen one. Around day 14 of the cycle, this egg bursts from the ovary in a moment called ovulation. It's so tiny that 10,000 of them could fit on a fingernail, yet it contains half the genetic recipe for a new human being. The egg then enters the fallopian tube, where it waits. Not patiently, though. It has a lifespan of just 12 to 24 hours. If sperm doesn't arrive before that window closes, the chance for life slips away, quietly. Part 2. The great race begins. From millions to one. During intercourse, up to 300 million sperm are released, but only a few hundred will ever get close to the egg. Immediately, the vagina becomes a battlefield. Acids kill many sperm instantly, others swim in the wrong direction. Some get trapped in folds of tissue. Only the strongest survive. Those that remain swim upward with incredible force, not gently drifting, but beating their tails more than 40 times per second. They travel from the vagina to the cervix, through the uterus, and finally toward the fallopian tube where the egg is waiting. It's the most dangerous journey any human cell will ever take. Part 3. A meeting written in biology. When sperm finds the egg. Out of millions, only a few dozen sperm reach the egg. But the egg is not helpless. It's surrounded by protective layers like a fortress. To enter, sperm must attach to the outer layer, release enzymes to dissolve a pathway, push through with pure force. Many try, most fail, until one sperm, only one, breaks through. And at that instant, the egg changes its chemistry. Its walls harden. No other sperm is allowed in. This moment is called fertilization, and it is the true beginning of a new life. Part 4. The creation of a new DNA code, the first cell of a future baby. Inside the egg, the sperm releases its genetic material, 23 chromosomes. The egg contributes its own 23 chromosomes. These 46 chromosomes combine into a code that has the baby's sex, hair color, eye color, height tendencies, genetic traits, even hints of personality tendencies, all decided within minutes. This first united cell is called a zygote. It is smaller than a grain of sugar, yet it holds the entire blueprint of a new human. Part 5. The first division. Life starts multiplying. Within 24 hours, the zygote divides into 2 cells, then 4, then 8. These cells don't just multiply. Each division decides the future. Some will become the placenta, others will become the baby, others become the umbilical cord and protective membranes. This transformation happens as the tiny ball of cells drifts through the fallopian tube toward the uterus. It takes 5 to 7 days. All during this time, the mother has no idea, no symptoms, no change she can feel, but the body is already preparing. Part 6. Arrival in the uterus, searching for a home. By the time the embryo reaches the uterus, it has hundreds of cells. It must now do something incredibly risky, attach itself. This process is called implantation, and it's one of the most delicate moments in pregnancy. The embryo burrows gently into the uterine lining, like a seed settling into fertile soil. If the lining is healthy and thick enough, the embryo connects and begins sending signals to the mother's body. "I'm here. Don't shed the lining. Keep feeding me." This is when pregnancy officially begins. Part 7. The mother's body responds. The hormones that change everything. Once implanted, the embryo releases HCG, the same hormone detected in pregnancy tests. HCG tells the body, stop menstruation, increase progesterone, strengthen the uterine wall, begin forming the placenta. Morning sickness, mood changes, cravings, many of these symptoms begin shortly after implantation. The mother may feel tired, emotional, sensitive, without knowing that microscopic life has just anchored inside her. Part 8. The story before the first heartbeat. The miracle hidden from view. Between conception and the first heartbeat, the embryo is only the size of a poppy seed. Yet in this unseen world, the brain begins forming. The spinal cord takes shape. Basic organs begin to map themselves. Cells communicate in perfect harmony, all from an event that began with one cell, one moment, one meeting, one spark of life. Life doesn't begin with a heartbeat, it begins with a journey, a race, a union, and a single cell that carries the promise of everything to come. This is conception. This is how life truly begins. If you want to follow the full journey of how a human develops before birth, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in Phase 2.